If you're looking for a brand new home at a great price in a great location, then Eagle Glen is the perfect spot for you. Located in Alvarado, this is one of the most affordable communities in the entire Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. The community is right near the intersection of I-35W and 67, so you can easily get anywhere in the Metroplex. Here you get the small town charm and lifestyle while having the convenience of access and location. Here at Eagle Glen, we are offering our entire lineup of homes from both our Classic and Elements series. That means you have dozens of styles and configurations to choose from, including the Violet 4 floor plan. This is a 2-story home with up to 5 bedrooms at over 2,800 square feet. Or maybe the Redbud fits your needs. An innovative, modern home that can be built as a 1 or 2-story from 2,100 up to nearly 2,700 square feet with 4 or 5 bedrooms. At Bloomfield Homes, upgraded living is our standard. You get more value in every home. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. Take advantage of the community park right here in the neighborhood, and people love the classic charm of Alvarado, not only for the community feel, but also for the great schools. The elementary school is right across the street, and people are attracted to the smaller classroom sizes and student-to-teacher ratios. Now, add in the many recreational opportunities at Alvarado Lake just down the road. Head over to Jellystone Park and Pirates Cove. When you're ready to build your dream home, it's important to find the right community. Come visit Eagle Glen and see if it's the right place for you. We'll help you find a home within your budget that fits your needs.